Beat the heat with a colorful twist on your beloved summer drink. Imagine this: icy cold brew popsicles, the perfect refreshment on a hot day. Start by brewing a strong cup of coffee, letting it cool until it's just the right temperature. Next, blend in your favorite sweetener or a splash of creamy milk for that extra richness. Now, the fun really begins. Grab your vibrant popsicle molds and pour in that luscious, dark, cold brew. Want to boost the flavor? Add some chocolate chips or a dash of fragrant vanilla extract. The result is absolutely mouth-watering. Here comes the exciting part. Freeze those molds for around 6 hours. When you finally take them out, you'll reveal a refreshing treat that's both invigorating and indulgent. Picture yourself biting into that icy, creamy delight on a scorching summer afternoon. So what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients and let's create some cold brew popsicles together. Don't forget to snap a photo of your creations and tag us. We can't wait to see your delicious masterpieces. This summer, beat the heat with a treat that will truly impress. Enjoy every delightful bite. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.